Use the key to open the battery cover. Take out the battery. Press and hold the power on button for 15 seconds to release the residual electrical energy. Use a 3mm hex key to remove the turn signals on both sides. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the clamping ring inside the left handlebar grip. Use a 3mm hex key to loosen the clamping ring inside the right handlebar grip. Remove the handlebar grips. Install the handlebar grips. Install it with the raised side facing inwards. Tighten the tightening ring inside the left handlebar grip. Tighten the tightening ring inside the right handlebar grip. Install the handlebar clamping ring with the nut facing the rear of the bike. Connect the turn signal terminals. Reinstall the turn signals. Ensure that the lamp beads face the front and rear. Tighten the fixing screws. Repeat the same steps to reinstall the turn signal on the other side. Reinstall the battery and the cover plate.